Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asadullah. I am currently studying architecture at Daffodil International University. I am undergraduate student now in my 5th semester and I expect to complete my graduation in 2027. For starting my journey in architecture, I complete my SSC in 2020 from to College of Development Alternative and HSC in 2022 from Bonani Vidyaniketan School and College. My interest in design and creativity began back in school, and that passion led me to choose architecture as my career path. During my academic journey, I have worked on several design studio projects that helped me explore different aspects of architecture. Some of my notable work include redesign Pangshi restaurant in Sylhet, where I focus on improving user experience and special aesthetics. Design a children library in Coral Slough. Aim to create a joyful and safe learning environment for kids and a pavilion for exhibition. My concept was Pathachitra, Riksha paint and Alpona, which allow me showcase a vibrant culture of Bengal architecture. Those projects taught me how architecture can connect people, culture and environment beautifully. In terms of technical skill, I have perfect in SketchUp, AutoCAD, Rhino, D5, Lumion and also have experience using Microsoft Word and Excel for document and data management. I believe my creativity, communication and teamwork skill have helps me work effectively in group project and bring new ideas in life. Architecture for me is not about structure. It's about sharing experience, connecting with nature and design for a better future. Thank you for watching my video resume.